Welcome back to this video. If you really want to protect your privacy and you are using Android phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how apps you have on your Android phone are collecting your data. Share your data by the app developer. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do, I'm going to make use of this OneDrive app right here. As an example, what you need to do is to simply click and hold down. Then make sure you go to App Info. Then we'll get into App Info, simply scroll down and make sure you click on App Install from Google Play Store. Click on that. Then take you to Google Play Store homepage of the app. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to data safety. Click on that. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on see details right here. There's going to take you right here. Now here, the developer has provided this information about how this app collects, share, and handle your data. So you can simply scroll down and read what are the information collected from you by some of the developer of the app. Now right here, audio, photos and video, my location, my messages, my app info and performance, my financial info. You can scroll down and the personal info, files and DOC. You can scroll down and see how your data have been transferred. Data is encrypted in transit. So this is to tell you that this app here are collecting your data, but sharing the data is end-to-end encryption. So if you have doubts about any apps that are collecting your data and you really want to get rid of them, you want to delete your account permanently, what you need to do is to simply click on data deletion. Then click on more right here. Read the article and see how you can delete your data and which of the data you would like to remove from the app being accessed to. And then lastly, if you want to completely delete app account from your Android phone, simply click on go to developer site. So on getting to their site, they will provide step-by-step detail on how you can simply delete app account. Then manage app data. You can submit a request to developer to delete certain data that was collected through this app without deleting your entire account. So this data can include things like activity history, transaction history, image and video, etc. For you to do that, you need to also visit developer website. So get into developer website, read the article and follow the prompt. Delete some of the sensitive information in order to improve your account privacy and security. This is one of the things you need to take into consideration each time you are trying to download any app from App Store, because not every app are actually trusted can actually be trusted with your information. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.